It's hard to believe this day is finally here. Even as much as I wanted to dream of this day when we first started dating 5 years ago, I never really thought this day would actually come. It leaves me in awe to think of how undeserving we are of God's mercy and grace. Yet He has so beautifully brought us to this day. I am so thankful that the Lord has chosen me to be your wife, to serve alongside you as we continue to grow into the likeness of Christ.
I just wanna be your morning light. The fire burns down and the embers slow, but I never get cold when it's you I hold. When the fire burns down and the embers slow.
Laurin, in a few short hours, you'll be my wife and I'll be your husband. We've waited so long for this day and it's finally here. Even though we've been apart for most of these last 5 years, we've made so many memories, had so much fun, and grown so much. You're an amazing, strong, beautiful woman. You're patient with my flaws. You're relentlessly supportive when my confidence is gone. I don't deserve any of it.
When I met you, I met a universe. And now everything in my world is yours. 'Cause when I met you, I met a universe. I just wanna be your morning light. And the sun come up with you by my side.
Thank you for allowing me to be myself and for pushing me to be the best I can be. You are my best friend, my constant encourager, the one I can laugh with, and my forever love. In your arms, I feel like I'm home.
God has blessed me in so many ways in my life. He has given me parents, brothers, grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and friends who love me and pour their time and energy into my life. He has blessed me with financial stability, a college education, and amazing musical experiences. Now He's given me you, the best friend I've ever had. I love you so much, and I can't wait to have you as my wife. You're stunningly beautiful, and I can't wait to see you walk down the aisle, arrayed as beautifully on the outside as you are on the inside.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my days with you, to share the big adventures, quiet moments, and every day in between. I love you more than any distance that could ever come between us. Now, let's go start it forever.
The more of my life that I share with you, the more I want to share. Experiencing even the littlest things with you is such a thrill. We've grown so much in our limited time together. I can't wait to see how we change and grow when we're husband and wife.
I promise to push you to become the man of God He has created you to be. And I promise to love you with everything I have until the day we meet our Savior. Kyle, we've made it. We've made it to the day we have been dreaming of for so long. The day that marks the end of a chapter, but also an oh so beautiful beginning.